Here's a 2003 Infiniti G35 Sedan, all the way from California. So not a single speck of rust on this car. It does have some blemishes on the bumpers, but everything else is completely stock. Still has a stock airbox. Maintenance is up to date. It is super clean. 177,000 miles on it. Let's check it out. We have the keyless. So leather seats are a little wear and tear, little rips, a couple here and there. Black interior. 6-speed manual, which makes this car hard to find in a sedan or even in a coupe in that matter. So let's check it out. Oops. 177, 156. I'm gonna be driving this back to Michigan today. No check engine light. Starts right up. Cruise control, volume control for the stereo all works. AC heat works. Windows work good. HID bulbs are still good. So are the fog lights and turn signals. Just thinking about doing a little rear cleaning of the bumper, but a lot of people are going to change this up anyway. Stock underneath. Come over there. Only blemish is right here by the fender. It got pushed in somehow. The rest of the car is pretty good. Interior's in good shape. Back seats aren't too bad. Does have the Bose audio system, a little cracking there. Other than that, really nice. Airbag light needs to be reset, I believe. It's just randomly flashing. Sunroof works. Revs up good. Does not burn oil or leak oil. Surprising. Hard to believe on a car like this.